Laura Stevens has come to see us in our studio to discuss tile options for a bathroom scheme she has put together for a client. Having selected 2 potential tile patterns from our designer pack, and with our newly launched Bespoke service, we explored which colours from our palette would work best. We chose our grounding purple brown from our little green range and soft milk colours which tie in beautifully with the tones in her fabric and paint choices. We also brought in complementing glazed tiles to add further texture. Her bespoke Chiriana and checkerboard designs are then sent to our workshop in Spain and handmade by our team of makers. At Bert and May, we are passionate about design, and so we're delighted to be able to offer this bespoke service to our clients.